Tonight on Liquid Metal Labs, join us while we weld in a straight line.
Talk about drilling holes.
Followed up by blankets.
Nailed it.
Nice. Nailed it.
Alrighty, now that you've seen us weld in a straight line, let's talk about some blankets.
Alrighty, so here, as you can see, is a lot of insulation. This is some Simon Store ceramic blanket, rated for 2400 degrees, 6-pound density, 1 inch thick, 24 inches wide by 25 feet.
25 feet.
A lot of
That's a lot of insulation. We have a lot of volume to fill for sure with the insulation, so we bought a lot, and we think it'll be really good for first version of insulating the giant furnace.
For sure. It's cheap, so we can revise it whenever we want, you know? It's not the small mortgage payment that Firebrick is. Large mortgage payment.
And to go along with it, we got some very handy rigidizer. This will go on to the insulation after it's installed. This is so that we can continue breathing. This actually kind of works as a glue or an adhesive to the fibers. It makes it so they don't fly off and get in JJ's lungs.
That sounds great.
Yeah, for as long as I've known you, 20-something years now, you've enjoyed breathing, and I think we should keep it that way.
Yes,
so.
I would agree.
Alright, okay. Now that the side pieces are welded in, fantastic job on that, by the way, JJ. They look really good. We're going to talk about drilling some holes. So,
alright, as you can see here, we're going to have 2 burners on this side, 1.5 inches, and we're going to have 2 more on the opposing side, 2 inches offset. So we're going to have these 2 here, and then 2 more on the other side, 2 inches offset from these. Hopefully that'll just help keep the flow going inside and promote some nice swirling. So we are going to drill these out. We have access to a mag drill, which is a godsend. We're going to drill a pipe through that if you want to.
So as JJ was mentioning, we're going to put a sleeve, basically. That's how it will look, obviously, down there. And as the gas comes in from our burner, it'll come out, and it'll hopefully bounce around all the edges and what's in the middle, and then come out the top.
Very nice. So, to go along with that, we are going to be building our own burners. We found some great forums, really helpful. Thank you for everyone in the community. That is fantastic. And I think we're going to build our own.
Yeah.
It seems easy enough, so might as well.
Yeah, this will obviously allow us to play around with a few design ideas and just kind of get a feel for what works and what we like, as well as, you know, if we need two opposing burners to be hotter than the others, you know, we'll be able to have some adjustment, as well as being able to kind of control the amount of flow and things like that. So we're really excited.
Yes, super excited. So join us next time as we put in the insulation and drill the holes out.
Yeah, big steps coming.
PE. Oh shit, that's it.
Okay.
Alrighty, here we are after our melt of some scrapped aluminum parts and
it's copper miscellaneous, some copper tubing. We saw some super cool copper mesh that we did.
that was really cool.
Yeah, that was really cool. Yeah, just miscellaneous copper pieces and some scrap aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
What are you thinking here?
Oh, that's gotta be 5. I'm gonna go 5.8.
Okay, copper only.
Copper only.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go 8 pounds on the dot.
8 pounds.
I'm going all the way up there.
Shoot for the moon.
Remember how heavy these big ones are?
Oh,
7.3.
He knows. He's
8.7. 10. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's one of our heavier big ones by itself. That's heavy.
We overfilled it just a hair.
Yeah.
I think maybe that's where we're getting all this porosity in the top from. Overfilling it a bit, but...
Yeah, I agree. Alrighty. Try the aluminum.
Yeah, well, what do you think on the aluminum?
Ooh, 2.7. Oh, I should have gone a little higher, I think. Get out of here. You can't compare.
I'm going to go 3.2.
Alright. Oh,
in trouble.
yeah,
In
you
trouble.
got me.
4
4.
on the dot.
Okay.
Jeez,
Well,
all right. Well,
that's pretty close to both right on the dot.
yeah.
You win one, I win one. I guess it's fair.
Nobody wins one.
Alright, it's a wash for this week.
All right, catch you next time.
Let's add it to the stack.
Let's do it.